If you're a college student or a working professional who is struggling with their day-to-day tasks every single day, AI will be the answer for all of your problems, guys. Hello everyone, this is Prathamesh Visai in front of you, and today we'll be talking about 10 most free useful AI tools that will save ton of your time and will make you a superhuman. Remember this quote once again, AI will not replace you. People who know how to use AI will. So you have to make yourself educated with these AI tools to stay relevant in the game. With that note, the first AI tool in my list is called Scribe. Now Scribe is an AI tool that will help you to create visuals of step-by-step guides. It could be great thing if you want to create a step-by-step visual guide for someone, for any software, or for any concept. You can go through this Scribe.ai. You can create a step-by-step visuals there, and you can actually create a visuals where you can explaining the concept in a well manner. It is a very great thing that if you are a trainer in a company and if you frequently need to teach people about your company softwares, you can use these tools and you can send this step-by-step guide to the people. You can also use these tools to create a visuals, like if you want to teach someone Premiere Pro, if you want to teach someone DaVinci Resolve, you can teach them by creating step-by-step guides, and this tool will definitely help you to get there. Now the next tool is Semly.ai. Semly is an AI tool that will integrate with your Gmeeting and your Zoom meeting, and it will start collecting notes out of your videos and out of your sessions that you had. It is definitely helpful for people who don't want to attend any meeting but still want to know what happened in the meeting. I remember when I was in a college, I don't want to attend my lectures which is going to be online because I was in a Corona batch. If you are in a Corona batch, you know what I'm talking about. So if you don't want to attend any lectures, this tool will definitely help you to take some notes and what happened in that meeting. But overall, this is a very great tool that you have to take a look at on it, because it will definitely help you a lot. The next tool is for all of you who are students. Quillbot is a free tool that you can start using, in which it will help you to paraphrase your text. You can record entire sentences and paragraphs to make it sound more professional or short. You can also expand it. You make sound more creative, more academic, and it's just a great tool that you can start using it if you are in a college or if you are getting some assignments. It is also available on the extension mode. So if you go to the Google Chrome and if you search for the Quillbot, you will get a Google Chrome extension of Quillbot. You can add it so that you can use this tool all over the internet. So wherever you are, like if you are in a presentation, if you are in a Word document, if you are drafting any mail, it will help you everywhere, wherever you want to use it. It is also allow you to check your grammar mistakes, or it also allows you to check your plagiarism also. So if you have any assignment or if you have any final year project and your professor don't want to get that repeated word, so you can use this AI tool where you actually start getting very fresh text from it. It is very helpful if you have a Chrome extension of Quillbot, because suppose if you found any great article on the internet, you can select that text and you can create a LinkedIn post out of it. So you just need to select that text and you just need to ask a LinkedIn post to Quillbot, and Quillbot will take care of the rest of the things. Now moving on to the next AI tool, and it is personally my favorite AI tool because it is a lifesaver. This AI tool will save ton of your time because it is going to help you to create presentations out of AI. Introducing Tome, an AI tool that generates presentation with the help of just text inputs. It is very incredible thing that you just need to have one idea and Tome will do rest of the thing. What you need to do is go to the Tome.app, type there whatever idea or what kind of topic that you are trying to create presentation, and Tome will start connecting images from Midjourney and Stable Diffusion and create a stunning images which is highly relatable with your content, and create a content with the help of ChatGPT. It is a very great tool that it is using the APIs of other generative AIs and create its own application. So if you're a student or working professional, you have to take a look at this AI tool, because this will save you a lot of time. Talking about next AI tool is Google AI Suite. In the recent event Google I/O 2023, Google revealed how they are merging their AI with their Google Suite. For example, with Gmail, you can get automatic reply with the help of AI. You can summarize your whole mail and get that specific information. On Google Slide, now you just need to write a single line of prompt to get that stunning presentation. You just need to write what kind of presentation you want and how that presentation look like, and that's it. It will create a stunning presentation within a minute. Talking about Google Sheets, now if you want to generate any ad campaign or if you want to reply your client personally, then you can create your spreadsheet where this AI tool help you to create automatic replies to your individual clients. You can also create your daily routine with the help of Google Sheets AI. Talking about Google Docs, if you want to create any type of document, like if you want to create any cover letter or if you want to create any type of resume, you can able to create now with the help of this AI tool. To get access to this AI tools, you have to register to the Google Labs. It is one of the website where you can actually go and sign up, and then you can able to use all of these AI tools. The next AI tool is for my developer friends out there. If you are a developer, you definitely love this tool a lot, because GitHub Copilot X is not only helping you to suggesting code, but it also help you to get that pull request. It is very interesting tool that how it suggests you what kind of code you need to write. Like if you are writing repetitive code like boilerplates, functions, objects, it will help you to write that code effectively. And you also can chat with this bot by voice. You can actually do a voice commanding with that. You can go through from your database, you can check your database, you can ask question about your database, and there is a lot of possibility with this. If you are a developer, then this is the must thing that you need to check out this tool right now. Now the next tool is very interesting because it is the replacement of ChatGPT. As we know, ChatGPT is paid and some of people are not able to afford that much money. So for them, Perplexity.ai would be the great option. It is a Chrome extension that you can add from your Chrome extension store and you can start using it. So if you want to scan any website, you can use Perplexity.ai. You can also ask question to them. It will also help you to summarize their content, and it will also help you to research some content. There is one more advantage is that it will also cite the source from it take the results from. So sometimes what happens on ChatGPT, if you are asking some question, it will throw a trash data or data which is not in use or not correct in a real world. In the other hand, Perplexity.ai will show you from where it takes these results. So this is the way where you can check there that this information is correct or not. Now we all have came far in the space of AI, because the next AI tool is crazy powerful. You cannot talk to the images with ChatGPT and it works like a magic. MiniGPT 4 is the project through which you can upload an image and ask anything about it. Just go to the minigpt4.github.io to try demo for free. There are so many use cases of it. People are using it for anything from converting pictures into code, creating ad copies from pictures, finding cooking recipes, generating stories and character bios from pictures, and identifying Elon from the meme. The next tool is going to help you to prepare your exams and your assignments. Umata.ai. The way this works is that you have to put a PDF file to this particular platform, then it will start analyzing your PDF file, and then you can ask anything about your PDF. It will start analyzing your PDF content and it will start giving you the answers about your questions. This is the great way to learn any concept or any theory. You can upload your whole book to this particular platform and you can start asking question chapter wise. It will be give you the summarize or in a pointers way. I think this would be great way to learn any concept or any theory out of it. So if you are a student or someone who just wanted to learn faster, you have to check out Umata.ai. Talking about last AI tool which you all have been waiting for is Kik Resume. Now the Kik Resume is the tool that you can use to generate 4 different resume templates, 4 different cover letters for completely free. It has ton of different examples and features that you would like if you are looking for a job in your career. So go try this out. You can even get your resume checked on Kik Resume site itself so that you can find the areas in which you can improve your resume, so that you will be get hired on better companies. So along with your resume, this website is also offer you to create your own personal website for yourself. I think that would be the great thing if you are starting your career and if you have your own personal website with catchy resume and with your cover letter. I think some of all these things, you will be landing ton of more opportunities in your careers. So go check it out. KikResume.com. So that were the 10 most amazing free AI tools that you can use if you are a college student or a working professional in your day-to-day task. I hope all of you guys will start using this AI tool to getting more productivity and creativity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. And if you are watching this video till now, then write in the comment section I watched till the end. If you have not following me on Instagram, do follow me at prathameshpisar2315. I will catch you, all of you guys, in the next one. Till then, stay curious, stay ahead in your career and class. This is Prathamesh Pisar signing off.